Hey everybody, this is Rini Breton, and today I wanted to tell you how I travel and earn a living online. And I do that with affiliate marketing. So, what is affiliate marketing? Well, it's pretty simple. Affiliates like me and you, if you want, can make a great living by selling other people's stuff. So, whose stuff do I sell? I sell for many of these companies for Adidas, American Apparel, Anthropologie, Clark's, Eddie Bauer. I sell for Gucci, which happens to not be on this particular list, Macy's, Net-a-Porter, New Balance, Nike, Puma. The list goes on and on. Look at all of these people, these companies that you can sell for and earn a fantastic living online. And you're not bothering your family, your friends, your neighbors, anyone. It's all online. I sell mostly educational products right now, and I'll explain why in the next video, but it has to do with increased commissions. So click the link below and get the very best affiliate online training that is available today. See you inside. Thank you. Bye bye.